From the year 2008, IPL has been an integral part of our lives, and year on year, it has never ceased to entertain us. What's more entertaining than a successful high run chase? We love big hitting, and a high run chase is bound to be loved by both sides, irrespective of who wins. Cricket wins big time in those matches. Obviously, that means a dread day for the bowlers, but well, that's what T20 is all about. Today, we are going to go with the 10 highest run chases in IPL history on Simply Chumma. Number 10, Chennai Super Kings. Target 203. KKR was struggling big time, only to be lifted by a 36-ball 88 by Andre Russell. If he had more balls, he would have scored at least 150 for sure. That was his form that match. But he came in 5 down and CSK will thank their stars for that. Whenever in need, CSK somehow gets an unlikely hero. And in this 2018 match, it was Sam Billings, his 23-ball 56 and Watson's 19-ball 42 compensated for the 28 balls 25 by Dhoni to win the match by 5 wickets and 1 ball to spare. Number 9, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Target 204. It was 2010 and Anil Kumble was in charge of RCB while Sangakkara was the captain of Kings 11 Punjab. Bisla and Bopara were involved in a record-breaking opening partnership which helped Punjab put up 203 runs. With 204 as a target, RCB came out and a superb knock from the top 4 with a spectacular 89 by Kallis and a 21-ball 51 from Uthappa meant that 204 was reached with 8 wickets to spare. Number 8, Kolkata Knight Riders, target 206. How can a cricket lover forget this match? RCB scored 205 thanks to Kohli's 84 and ABD's 63. The chase was going on decently, but RCB were taking wickets at regular intervals and Andre Russell wanted to come out to bat a bit higher up in the order, but he got a chance pretty late. KKR needed 53 of 18 balls and Russell decided to show all his power and his anger on the poor RCB bowlers as he smashed a 13-ball 48 with 7 out of the stadium's 6s to finish the match with 5 balls to spare. Just ruthless. Number 7, Kings 11 Punjab. Target 206. Chennai Super Kings were clinical as they thrashed 205 in their allotted 20 overs. And they looked good to win against Kings 11 Punjab in 2014 IPL at Abu Dhabi. Kings 11 Punjab were in sublime form and they finished the proceedings with 7 balls remaining. This was thanks to a 43-ball 95 from Maxwell and a 37-ball 54 by David Miller. Number 6, Chennai Super Kings once again. This time the target was 206. It was 2018 and CSK were facing RCB in Bangalore. Deacock and ABD scored brisk half-centuries and a few other cameos ensured that RCB set 205 as the target for CSK. Rayudu and Dhoni made sure that the score was not a problem at all. Rayudu scored a 53-ball 82 and Dhoni scored a 34-ball 70. Number 5, Chennai Super Kings, target 206. Once again it was RCB versus CSK, but this time it was the 2012 IPL and Vettori was the captain of RCB. RCB started off well, but with superb contribution from the first 3, who ended up scoring more than 80% of the score of 205. CSK pulled back at the end and it was extremely helpful. CSK went on to win the match with 5 wickets to spare off the last ball. The chief architect for CSK was Faf du Plessis, who scored 71 and Dhoni's 24 balls 41. Morkel's 7 ball 28 runs can be weighed in gold. Number 4, Kings 11 Punjab. Target 206. 205 is just not a safe number in IPL, I guess. Naman Ojha and David Warner's batting pushed Sunrisers Hyderabad's total to a massive 205 in the 2014 IPL. But the in-form Kings 11 Punjab team captained by Bailey were not ready to give up. Except for Sehwag, the rest of the batsmen all pitched in to complete the formalities with 8 balls remaining. Number 3, Delhi Daredevils. Target 209. Delhi Daredevils gave away a bit too much with some sublime batting from Raina and Karthik, which pushed Gujarat Lions' total to a massive 208. But a young team, Delhi was striving to perform, and then they did. India saw the brilliance of Rishabh Pant. He missed a century by mere 3 runs, and Samson also gave a good hand with a quick-fire 61. Delhi made a mockery out of the target as they reached the score in just 17.3 overs. At number 2, we have Rajasthan Royals. Target 215. Rajasthan Royals in the first season of IPL showed the world that teamwork can make anything happen, as Deccan Chargers' Simons' century was overshadowed by 2 half-centuries from Graham Smith and Yusuf Pathan, and 2 quick-fire cameos from Kev and Vaughan to win an unimaginable 215 with 3 wickets in hand. Number 1 on our list today is Rajasthan Royals, target 224. It's RR once again. We had the spectacular match between Rajasthan Royals and Kings 11 Punjab in the 2020 IPL at Sharjah. What a match! Kings went on to score 224 behind some spectacular hitting by the Centurion Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul. And the Royals ended up winning with some explosive batting from Sanju Samson, Smith, and then Tewatia. Never give up. Just believe in yourself and you can reach any milestone. This top 10 is a testament to that statement, isn't it? Do press the like button, share button, and subscribe to Simply Chuma for more amazing and interesting videos on cricket and other sports.